I've made this resin nameplate in beige and brown shades. So let's learn together how I did it. So first of all, I've mixed resin and hardener, and now I'm mixing off-white pigment into a little bit of resin. So I'm just mixing the pigment first and then adding a little bit of it into my glass. Don't add too much, otherwise your resin will not cure. So just give it a thorough mix. Mix it for about 2 minutes so that there are no unmixed particles left in it. And now I am using a little bit of brown for the marble. So I'm just taking a little bit of resin, very little in amount, and I'm just mixing the brown pigment in it. Now this is for the floating gold pigment. Make sure you use a floating gold powder and not a normal gold mica powder. You can decide how much of marble you want in your nameplate and then make the colors accordingly. I have used 2:1 ratio for this resin. I have prepared my board with gesso. This is an 8 mm MDF board. I have applied gesso on the front, let it dry, and then I have applied masking tape at the back to catch all the drips. I have just spread the off-white pigmented resin into the whole nameplate, and I am just spreading it with my fingers. You can also use an ice cream stick to mix, but the work is done quicker with hands. Always remember to wear your respirator and gloves while working with resin, and if you have any doubts then you can write them in the comment below and I'll make sure to reply them. So after the whole board is covered with it, now we will add the marble lines. So I'm just creating some random lines. It would be better if some lines cross each other, so that will give a more dramatic effect. So first I have created with brown, and now I am just using gold. These lines don't need to be perfect, as we will anyways use heat gun to blend these right now. So just take care that you blend in all different directions, because if you will blend in just one direction it will look too monotonous. If you wish to purchase any of the things that I make, then you can contact me on my Instagram. I sell them at very reasonable rates, or you can also WhatsApp me on the given number. You can also comment here and I'll share all the details with you. So as you can see that I've blended one line into both directions, left and right. So after all the lines are blended, you can just see wherever it is needed, then you can add more lines and then blend it again. If some corners, a little bit of it is not covered, then not to worry, because anyways we'll be adding a second layer of stones and names. So I've used acrylic name for this, and I've created stone border and poured clear resin on top. So our nameplate is now ready. Do let me know if you found the video helpful. Thank you so much.